Hey guys, this is Jeremy with Vulcan Machine Werks, and we're here in Plano, Texas. Some of the things that we specialize in are Staccato 2011 platform, as well as various optic cuts, custom Cerakote. We work from everything from motorcycle parts, automotive, as well as high volume firearms. Some of the different verticals that we operate in, for sure the bread and butter is going to be your optic cut and Cerakote environment. We also specialize in custom laser work, NFA items, custom products, which range anywhere from magazine base plates all the way up to our cigar ashtray line as well. Cerakote is one of our more flexible coatings. It allows us to do crazy designs and utilize our laser technology that we have here on site. We started working on Staccatos back in 2019, and quite honestly, it was a platform that we never really wanted to get into. Super tight tolerances, very finicky, and then it just kind of blossomed. We had a guy that was very adamant that this is the route that he wanted to go, so we customized a platform for him, and it kind of just took off from there. It's been nonstop with that platform ever since. A lot of what we do here is profit reinvestment and a whole lot of analytical data crunching. We want to make sure that we see what people are talking about, what they like, what they don't like, and we try to grow specifically off that. Here at Vulcan, we have a company credo, which is stay relevant. The point in staying relevant is ensuring that we are constantly on the cutting edge of offering various services as well as product, especially with our latest release of our double stack 1911, the 11. The stay relevant is real. That's always been our credo. If people aren't talking specifically about us, have you seen what Vulcan Machine Werks released? Have you seen the custom coatings they're doing? Have you seen the custom laser ablation that they're leveraging with Cerakote? Then we're not relevant. We have a couple of BMW dealerships that are down the street from us, and we coat a lot of the cages that go around the BMW GSAs, the Ducatis, and some of the other kind of more technical bikes. So having those dealerships down the street allow us to kind of expand into that. For the automotive side of the house, we've even expanded into kind of the car scene that's heavily modified, where we're either doing turbos or intercoolers or something of that nature. I mean, it could be anything. That's, I think, the beauty of the product of Cerakote is it allows us to diversify our offerings, whether it be automotive, sport, firearm. It's all limitless. There really is nothing that we can't coat here. We are more or less the Willy Wonka of the customization world. If you dream it, we can build it. People come to us with ideas. I want sparkles, lines, stripes. Can you do crazy Cerakote with your laser? Can you bring this vision that I have in my head into a reality? Yes, we can. It brings about the flexibility of the coating, and Cerakote being that flexible item that it is, it allows us to really push the boundaries of what we can do as far as stenciling, new color combinations, various product offerings through Cerakote's marketplace, right into the different types of laser ablation that we can offer. We're not stopping what we're doing. We're constantly evolving, and I think that plays in a lot to our credo, which is the stay relevant aspect. And I think having the right people and the right partnerships within the industry is what is allowing us to be successful and to grow to those new heights. Every year, we're constantly doubling in size, and I think that's very beneficial, especially when you look back on where we've came from versus where we're going to be. I think a lot of success, especially with Vulcan, is through our marketing and our partnership with the various companies we work with, whether it be Brownells, Noveski, Cerakote, or with our partners at Laser Marking Technology. Always trying to form those partnerships and grow and try to be at the forefront and cutting edge of everything that's happening is extremely important to us. If you have any crazy ideas or you've got this vision in your head, you can very easily just reach out to us and we can bring it into reality for you. You can follow us on Instagram, or you can go to our webpage at vulcanmachinewerks.com, or you can email us directly at info@vulcanmachinewerks.com.